all these things. Shediabano. And yes, sorry, no, Asamoah Abedahoni, a year Ministry of Transport to present bill to rename Kotoka International Airport to Accra International Airport. And this Asamoah I was saying very, very happy about. Say some people are saying the changing of the name from Kotoka International Airport to Accra International Airport, what benefit? Any benefit class we will change it. We don't have to. It doesn't have to give us money before we change it. We don't need permission from anybody to change the name. If we feel that the name near the tosono and a deserve, we have the right to change it. It is not the money that is bringing. Because I don't think so when you were given name by your parent, you later came to ask them, say, why did they give you that name? And that did they bring them money? I don't think you went to ask your parents that. There's a reason here, o parent did a din da also. Because they believe it's a sa edino, I was say as a sound it is a your mind, not say the edibia to airport so. Now you're doing when we say edin yansenim. Nipana or this sa edin made to airport so nebra or boy no and so he does not deserve data. What wrong? And I say we want to change the name. We don't have to get money to change the name. If we feel that the name near the atosono, nipana and fatase edin diba to we have the right to change it. This Kotoka guy, ne record ne saying, Oyeku, eno tu kwame nkrumah. We don't want despicable people like that to be having names on a government facilities into ye change. We don't need permission from God. We don't need permission from you. We are Ghanaians and we want to make sure yetrimu eho aye fine. We don't want people with such a record to be carrying our airport to be carrying such names. And no. So this is not anything also a debate. This is something we all support. And then one person said would for obia only better a track record to the badin. Yempe edino. And I've seen people ask, into way, what is it going to bring us? Hey, it is not going to bring us anything, but we don't want it. Hey, if you people don't get this, and just a mwanga sama form, Kotoka is a traitor. And we need to change it. Yankasi ye change the akoto hinibiso. Yankasi ye change edi akoto hima biso. Yankasi ye change the akoto eye imam biso, anasofi biso. Ye change the ato a corona airport ni sinu so. What is the big deal here? Sanke change ni akoto angunani hinibiso a. Kakwasi weka se da koma ngunafo. Ye koma krobofo din a kebeka se da koma krobodin. Ye change ni akoto miame papa din so a kebeka se da koma mfantini. Ye change ye say ye ato a corona airport ni sinu so. What is your problem? Ghana for mu ye suatra dodo. Mumudu do mosia dia ma ejimi fo. Book na musia no muntumi apply mo common sense. This is right. We will change the name. Ebintina oti somewhere. Let's look at this guy. Look at this guy. Shenipawi.
I mean, renaming of Kotoka and those, they are just useless, they are baseless. I mean, waste of taxpayers' money. And that's not what we need. Because if you do these things, every branding that has been done in the name of Kotoka International Airport will have to be rebranded to Accra International Airport. That is a cost to the taxpayers' money. That's a cost to the taxpayer. Today, as we speak, you know that nurses are not being paid, teachers are not being paid, recruitments are supposed to be made. They are saying that they don't have financial clearance. So that is not so.
You changing of the name doesn't inure the benefit of
didn't pay them. It is a waste of time, waste of resources, and the NDC should be serious with the government.
The two doors China here too. We was a vote ne to do so China yere to. Na we somebody who is a lawmaker. On any problem say yeti kroma and ye ba Kumasi. E ho no ye MP. Me say akwa ne to do so China girlfriend to. And ye beka che otu for say ye be change Kumasi International Airport. That time no offer letterhead bia Kumasi International Airport a. Na ya trust Kumasi International Airport. Every document bia, every banner, poster bia will be ani achosu Kumasi International Airport and the MPP. Yako Kumasi, any akoka say you be changing it dinato ebe the airport be to ohini bi din. Yetra ya demonstration kwasi ampen you are the two doors China yere to no. Wanka say it's a waste of taxpayers. It's a foolish people. Yetra Ghana, Kwame University of Ghana, any other universities. Nana do Dankwe Kufa, do you know changing the name of a university. Do you know the amount of work that has to be done? Universities had to go back, change every single document, because Ekufuado wanted to bring his father's name into our history. Ekufuado wanted to bring people who were criminals with criminal backgrounds, people who worked with other foreigners to come and commit crimes in Ghana. Nana Ekufuado, Jimmy Fowe, or Nene Nkofowe, they came to change names like Omabodam. You people did not see, say, it was something that will hurt the taxpayer. We are changing Kotoka to Accra International Airport. So I want to ask you for Jimmy Ko Kumasi, Kotana Kumasi. Kwe Kurasi Kotana ho. Ka onim nyansa, ka obeka kire Ghana for say, and ye Kumasi Airport no, the Ben international plane be siwo because ya betu ni din say the international airport. Kurasi ni aba krom. And then kurase for ato abama kurase ni aba krom into obedu krom no ompe ade papa mfonko fie ena onenam nkran ne to do se chen ne yere nto ena okeka nkwase asem yetena krom ha. So this is supposed to be done. We don't need to get money from it. I don't care how much it's going to cost. They need to change the name. Okay? I am MPP for whom my junior must say Ghana ne yechire no hu mo say Kofour time but Jimmy 4 time mo MPP for my junior must say Ghana ne team no ba Jimmy bre e de say Kofour time no Osafma Afotumi ko saloon kwaji loan mo say ba Jimmy bre Kofour tumi Ghana at 50 na Ghana for sika oni kodwom pieni ene rekubro be omo wie sika no audit auditor forensic audit chese o se nkechi Kofour tum no mo say ba Jimmy bre na Kofour free power na ne kro no obo e nyina no waka cha GBC for so mo delete no mo say ba Jimmy for mra Kofour tam Ghana for gold e de ko ye chain beto du kom no mo say da ho ba Jimmy bre ana mo border mo hu ana mo say ye nyina ye Jimmy sem for fathers no. We are building, and it is not how you people feel. It is about how we want to build this nation. And majority of Ghanaians, at least 57% of Ghanaians, are still in support of this government. So this is something we want, and we will change the name. Sa ba Jimmy Brena Kofour be di president na moya nyoma na mudi esie and na ya papa Kofour and na moya campaign kwa mutumi mbo Kofour adin. And moya campaigner muntumi nye bold and mbo Kofour adin. Mo try na mabo Kofour adin because Kofour bo kro no or the tetemo. Because muntumi nkenkan entiase ya kenkan kire so na mutiti moto. Kofour bo kro no di sie nti munnim senia ya research. Iti madwene mu se Kofour and ya ba Jimmy Kofour time. Ye ni Kofour time o ba Jimmy bre 2000 and 2026. Kofour be di president e ko 30 years. Kofour be di president TikTok ni ho. Kofour be di president na nyoma bebre electric car nyina na ebi ni ho. Kofour obedi president no na untumi enfre obi chese Kofour be di president na ye ba Jimmy bre o. Ye ni ba Jimmy bre o nyoma sesa. Iti ayana de bia no motena Ghana na mo adwene say mo MPP for no enya mo dia obi agimi sa de no ye mpene mo. We are going to question your intelligence because Mumudu Dwarmajino from now listen to AFENYO marking on this same matter. You be change Kotoka International Airport. Kotoka or ye traitor. Kotoka or de kwambone so etu kwame nkuma no ope kwame nkume kunu no. You be change ni din keke. Na ye de Accra to airport ne so. Muntie AFENYO marking. The AFENYO marking guy who basically campaigned against Bawumia, the guy who hates Bawumia and wish Bawumia never won the primaries. Listen to AFENYO marking. Me say MPP for Omojimi Muntie no.
That all these years we've had this Kotoka, General Kotoka's name on the airport, and suddenly it's being changed. What is it? After it's Kotoka International Airport, Accra. So Accra is still there. I'm not suggesting any other name. I'm saying that the name Kotoka International Airport, Accra is already there. Accra is already there. So you don't need to remove Kotoka's name from there. So if you come to Accra or even in the country, how many prominent Votarians have their names on national assets or national monuments? This is the only thing the people of Volta region can also at least see as something that recognizes heroism from the Volta region. And that one too, they are being denied. Well, Honorable Kwame Agbodza is from Volta. Honorable Okujeto Ablakwa, he's from Volta and is sitting in cabinet. Honorable Fifi Kwete is the General Secretary of NDC from Volta region. Honorable Ahiafo, he is the first Deputy Speaker in this government from Volta region. Honorable Kwame Eche, the Fiamepo, Majority Chief from Volta region. And they are all sitting down, watching the government to take away a Voltarian's name, which has been given to our airport, and successive governments never made any attempt to change it. And in this time and age, they are from Volta, and they are in the government, and they are watching Volta to lose its pride. It's up to them.
This is part of the reason why Bawumia wants to change this idiot. I'm telling you. Last week I was in Ghana, and I met a lot of senior politicians in the NPP and the NDC. And they were trying to explain to me why Bawumia doesn't like AFENYO. And I'm now beginning to understand why the NPP, majority of them, think AFENYO is foolish. Very, very foolish. This is the minority leader. Such a foolish analogy. Say, Kotoka, Nidino, Kotoka Dini are prominent. And what you are talking about, what has it got to do with Voltarians? So stupid and just tribal foolishness. The level of idiocy. The sheer foolishness exhibited by a raccoon. Listen to him. This is the minority. No wonder Bawumia does not want this fool to lead them. What makes Kotoka's name a prominent name? What makes his name a prominent name? And then if somebody is a Voltarian, and the Voltarian believes that Kotoka, who is a traitor or two Kwame Nkrumah, Voltarian Onimi Nyansa will never vote for Kotoka's name on anything. Actually, you people, you the Dankwabuzia criminals, na Ekufuado Busieni, the snitch. He was working with the CIA to destroy our nation, and no, and I'm supporting Tina. You think Kotoka's name is a prominent name? Because people like you are still worshipping a snitch, a traitor, somebody who works with foreigners to destroy our nation. You people, that is the kind of people you are. That is why today you are still recognizing Dankwa, because Dankwa was a traitor. So you believe, say, upon all the nonsense Kotoka did, you see nothing wrong with it. So let's bring in the tribal, the people you mentioned. They are Voltarians, and they are Voltarians who will not vouch for a traitor. You see, this is the highest form of fool. Right, for the first time, I agree with Bawumia that he cannot allow such a fool who does not think through matters to lead the minority, because if this is the person in parliament leading the minority for you to win power, then you have to understand that you have cursed yourself. You will never get close to power. This should even tell you that Ablakwa, all the people he was mentioning, they are people who are Voltarians and will never vote for a Voltarian who is a traitor. So he is even justifying why those people are intelligent than him. Why should Ablakwa vouch for Kotoka, who was a traitor? Why should the Fiamakpo vouch for Kotoka, who was a traitor? Why should Fifi Kwete vouch for Kotoka, who was a traitor? Why should all the Voltarians in the NDC vouch for Kotoka, who is a traitor? Why should they do that? It is only people like you, AFENYO, and your likes, the piglets in the MPP, who vouch for JB Dankwa, because you have always seen traitors, snitches, people who always fight against their own nation as heroes. That is why in the NPP, you still worship the Dankwa name, because you are not ashamed of glorifying a traitor. The foolishness, the highest form. Mama, politics are a time. And these are the people said, Jimini Biato Sutisha, then we say these are intelligent. This is a very stupid man. What has tribalism got to do with this? Yet Kromha, and ye koyi a whole Kumasi International Airport, and ye the two ohene Asante for hene bako. Nobody linked any tribal thing to it. Nobody sat here and say Adentina Kumasi Airport no modi akoto ohene bi oya Asantini. Asantini bi esi Kumasi Airport to Asantimemu. Kumasi Airport. Asantini bi esi Kumasi Airport. And so yaba yese koto Prempeh the second who said yen nyina etena aka say okay, no problem. Did anybody say Adentina the airport ne to Asantini? Ghana history mu Asantini ben na ako a sebio enya tribe ntokwa wako ama Ghana obetuma bobako mpodin. But we sit here as Ghanaians, we don't care because majority of ntokwa Asantefo ako a tribal war. It was no war that could build this nation. But we will not sit here and say Asantefo ntokwa a tribal war. We are sidelining them, even though some of them till date they still think say omo person be Ghana for. We don't care. But we as Ghanaians, we accept them as one people. There are people it was in the name of Ghana. But you kwa santimema Prempeh the second airport no obi ka say adentina awonafo ne bumfu ye adentina gonja fo mo santimemu a omo ne asantefo ma wo ya omo nya mbema tintin ma ende uhu omo ma se bi mbema tintin no omo bumfu adentina why because AFENYO marking is foolish, very weak-minded. He cannot think through matters. And now understand why Mahmoud Bawumia insists to say it was Amin Adams a minority leader. And now understand. First, I thought Bawumia was being hard. But Bawumia, they have taken their time to analyze AFENYO Marking's level of intelligence. Almost with Jimmy, now you know form. Now so obi ye MPP nino ya unenia. Now to work as Ankwasi Asamoah. Your worker say now where Jimmy ana? What do you represent? Ye dino comma ose Kotoka International Airport comma Accra Jimmy. We want the Kotoka name out. It is not the comma that is there. MPP for Ankasa na mu yenwan. I know sometimes be say be di mo atamba mo Jimmy dodo. Already. Adina mo Jimmy sa. Your leadership, you won't quarrel. Just say, Shenkofo mudi Bawumia campaign time. She no more ye. In quarrel Jimmy, in penifone Jimmy, you give them the opportunity to exhibit a little bit of intelligence. No makangum. You as a minority, you want power. Ni ebusa question way. Oh, the transport ministry wants us to change the name. He could not get any reasonable answer that, oh, these are Voltarians in the NDC. Why are they? Do you think Voltarian with Jimmy Tisawo? No Voltarian is foolish like you, AFENYO Marking. Voltarian away Jimmy no MPP. Voltarian nim nyanse bebe say I will not glorify a traitor like Kotoka. So how did we get here? How did we get here? You are very foolish. Change your ways. They will change you. Bawumia campaign. Okotna eye ukromo and now campaign tia Bawumia. You did campaign a pompisika a campaign tia Bawumia because you never wanted Bawumia to lead the NPP. Election results reached clearly. The number of the market in Agyapong, sika o pompi mutrati nipa mutatanko for we are Bawumia Kennedy because in your mind Kennedy was going to win. And I will be Bawumia will be, with all due respect to Bawumia be very foolish to allow you to be the minority because the more you sit there as the minority leader, Bawumia should understand and say 30 years he can never be president. The more you sit in front of the minority as their leader, na sanko yasema okay, so be anwuneni no party ma, Ogin said na jibe so sila ondi wechi. No. So if Bawumia is smart, he needs to start working on you, taking care of you. Or some you will see in chain. Ne omo penyanse ni bi di minority nenim. Why economy won't mean kasama Bawumia. When issues about economy eba parliament, say ato force about parliament, na se oberidi budget, you cannot understand. So how are you going to make a case for Bawumia? I'm asking you. When there is an economic debate, a debate on economy in parliament, how are you going to make a case for Bawumia? AFENYO Marking, how are you going to make a case? You can't. So automatically, Bawumia has lost the debate in parliament when it comes to the economy. And you have to understand, Bawumia, the strength of the economy, right now he wants a rebranding to tell Ghanaians, say, on your bad economist, and I say, on bon, he needs somebody who can do that for him. I'm asking you. Now, I'm coming. Now, this story is important. President Mahama directs the National Investigation Bureau, NIB, to immediately, the immediately is very important, to immediately investigate allegations of corruption in the award of foreign scholarships. Metna, I am TV way so. A whole scandal about Kingsley Agyeman. This is Kingsley Agyeman. This guy, one of the greatest thieves in the history of Ghana. I am surprised that this fool is still walking around in Ghana. And John Dramani Mahama say, what directing the National Investigations Bureau, NIB, say foreign scholarships no investigations Kingsley Agyeman, he stole over $50 million just as scholarship secretariat. This guy. Sakwawi and the Kufuado. May a whole scandal. Nipana onene ko bo krono. Nipana na onene area yesika. It was scholarship secretary. They were selling scholarship to Sekelewili. Kwasiawe, Oria scholarship secretary Sikewe no, and Ofori-Atta and Odebura parliament. Now, John Mahama and this government, they need to make sure they go down and investigate this guy. Because you see, under his leadership, Akwawe Sika Oria, and you know the funny thing, Ebuakwa hine and the Kache Kufuado, Emani yes, Akwawe scholarship secretariat boss. Yes, Mr. Boache. It was Ebuakwa hine, Mr. Boache. Papa na bofreno, ache hine no. Or no, any of this Akronfo we make Kufuado say, onye the scholarship secretariat boss. And Akwawe be scholarship secretariat boss no. Achim for yes, obey. Ebuakwa hine. Then call for osisa omo illegally. MPP for osisa omo illegally. Edom kogu abrochira. Obu okwa abrochira school kwa wanko onim school no. And this guy, he was selling scholarship as high as $50,000. Akwawi. And John Mahama say yembie investigations. Oko abrochira. 90% of omo amunya scholarship kwa abrochira no. Omo nyina no monko school. I am telling you, 90% of Nkofua, omo Akwawe, omo scholarship under MPP. So omo school abrochire no, 90% no munye students. On one case the constituency, or the nipa be 30, omo MPP executives. Enkurase form who fibio, or se sa omo kogu abrochire. In the name of the scholarship in the eco school. Akwawe, the problem we are facing today. Recently, Moti said there are some young people in Europe, in UK. Say they are demonstrating. This is the guy. This guy is one of the diabolic criminals in the history of Ghana. See, Pobia was say lives. What dupe on my way pa? This guy called Kingsley Agyeman. I think he's an MP. Will be an Okatakyie MP no. And John Mahama say MBA investigations right now. We should go into the matter. We need to investigate him. If we decide to do a forensic audit on all the schools in Europe, Ghana for say scholarship koha. Ube will say 90% of the students are calling more scholarship from school. And after the investigations, you will see. Me say, after the investigations, you will see students now must say under Kingsley Agyeman. You don't go to school abroad. Every month, they're not all you say. And this was on my show. I did this scandal. The guy who was doing the crime with him, the person was on live TV. Time 2023. What this guy was doing in the say, or Ghana, they were selling scholarships in pound sterling. Or to be 20,000 pounds. 30,000 pounds. Me TV way so go into the archives. Go on YouTube. The story is there. The guy who was his colleague, his partner in that crime, they fell off. And a guy in the car said he will speak. Obeka if you say Kingsley Agyeman way, a man called for back UK Sanko Mumbekuno. Ain't Oka say and Obeka. Na Ghana for will say Kingsley Agyeman and to me kuno. So that guy came on my show. And that guy spoke. And that guy gave us all the documents. Sakwa we know and say, as the CEO of Scholarship Secretariat, Otam oji obi sika 30,000 pounds, 20,000 pounds. What they do then they say, Otam nipa na nko school bia abrochiro. Now Oma register nipa no school was say or your student. Now what goes on and they say, sa nipa na obe register and say oko school ebia e Manchester D no. Nipa ni wo as a student o. And this Kingsley Agyeman will be paying money to the person as stipends into another foreign account or UK. Say otia eye stipends from the Nippon school no. I was say abine man kakra as a scholarship student no. Enti sa sika nketenkete ya de ma scholarship student no. Sa nkofo no kwa onim omanko school ho no we create accounts e wo UK ho in the name of those people. So what he does and they say every month no atam sika say where your students no stipends sika on be twetwa omo ekoto accounts ni mu a na sa sika na koto odon accounts mu. In this we investigations now we say 90% of omo find in same as scholarship students no they are not in school. Into we check here police for we teacher ni they were not students. 90% of them were not students. So he was sitting in Ghana as the CEO of scholarship secretariat and was paying himself in the UK. He was paying himself in Holland. He was paying himself in the US. So that was how he was making the money. And today, say, yes, students in say, he did not care because the real students, he was not giving them any money. He created his own portal. He created his own students clique. Into offer a year in the constituency. Now, or the UK. Now, our former free as a student. No, a create account as a student. What happens? And then they say student in the court, that's a one back class for a period. School ni be in free ho. It is SASI can obey making sure say student now back class for 6 months. School ni be permanent. SAS 6 months no obey your student in stipends. Be 2 years stipends amano. SAS 2 years stipends. It never goes to the school. It does not go to the student. It goes to the account he has created because on paper that person is still a student. School still be oha. Your man scholarship. Not 3 months, 1 back class, 2 months, 1 back class. Automatically, school be pamon. This guy knows it. Into such a connection now. Now, could do UK. All that he does is, Sani Ponum said 2 months time, school no, unco, yabe pamano. Into that within that 2 months, no, obey student salary, and I said stipends, be 10 times amani pano. Now, Sasi kano kwa, nipani receiver ayo akwa we dia. He keeps the money. Into say, omo person omo ye forensic auditor. This guy, he will not last 24 hours. He will go to jail. And then, Tina, I had a problem with APAC. When I did the scandal, that time, not NDC opposition, I reached out to Sami Jemfi. And I told Sami Jemfi, say, this issue is a very important issue. APAC should do one thing for me. Because APAC was on the education committee. I told Sami Jemfi to give all the documents to APAC. Forward the video to APAC and tell APAC to raise the matter in parliament. When Sami Jemfi approached APAC told him to tell me, say, I don't know what I'm talking about. You know why? Because APAC was getting money from this guy. APAC never raised the issue in parliament. In fact, at a point, Mesaka Sami Jemfi on Kancha APAC say, so want to raise the issue of parliament, Public Accounts Committee, they should call this guy to come and answer to the document. APAC said no, he didn't do it. In fact, if I can go back to our chat, Sami Jemfi chatter, Sami Jemfi actually sent me a screenshot of what APAC told him. APAC is a criminal. Recently, also a church of Kwasi Asembi. A foolish man like that. It is APAC, the man we are. He was taking money for dependents. This guy is a criminal. Sir Kingsley Agyeman way into the president is saying, say, be audit NIB for your investigations now. Akwa will also free parliament. And I've told my team today, all the documents I show, they should try and retrieve every document. In fact, if we are not able to retrieve all the documents, the guy now on the boss, Mr. P, can you guys try and find me a short video of that interview? Mr. P, Mr. S, can you guys, Mr. S, if you can do this quickly for me, I want to remind Ghanaians. Can you guys get me like a 1 minute or a 2 minute video of that interview? Na me fan chere Ghana for akwa we oyeri. Makasa che Ghana for ohun so obeko jail no and owie sika na odekwaji seat no achim police ni nsem Atachia boy when ekwaji Atachia seat no owie sika and odekwafa Atachia seat no what he did and say NPP for in 2020 elections no V8 amu use to Ghana nyina na eboy we dia auto V8 be 80 and na orentma NPP for Samia Awuku na edi nanim yesade no. And you know what this guy was doing? Boy na ye interview ni ka kire say akwawe auto V8 na say auto free a company wa na wako insure no full coverage. Ochika na do point bia na the okotweja to car nim. Inti comprehensive or insure car no on fully insured. Ochika na or the rentia be 1 year. Na so hu se car na yemra V8 no na wako ekuraso kwan bi so na okotweja tum. Otweja tuma na wasako car insurance company no akoji sika no adato mono. This guy, I didn't say it. The guy who came on my show did it, said all these things. Enti na our V8 be 80 time me be in scandal no started say or turn V8 no or releasing 11 wey oyeri. He's a criminal oyeri. He's not supposed to be in parliament. Enti owie sika we nyina wie no say no. The safe haven will be parliament. Send a bear mania parliamentary immunity. And a sikano wiano or yimu bino loco to Atachia. And a ochehine buano. And a omunina buano because he was paying money to the NPP. NPP campaign in 2020, he was sponsoring the campaign. Now the cast no more campaign no ni V8s. Way. Every way. Every way. Crown 4 way. Konfowe. Me say scholarship no the man girls or more health sector. Yeah, Bible show my team is telling me, team, you say what? He was giving story way, mukai story way. We will go back and do this story. Majority of girls there, chichi almost say, UK or your health center worker, then the ayakwa in the koye. Me say odi mana no Asamoah scholarship. Kwasi way. Na Kingsley Agyman way Jimmy Fo way, Kronfo way, every way. You see this story? Thank you very much, team, for bringing this in. What was our story we? Sa nipa na mo yesa de Kingsley Agyman de omukoye. What was our story we? It was reported at BBC News. Naomi Grimley and Camilla Horrocks. Ghana patient in danger as nurses head for NHS in UK medics. Mama Chiro, sa nurse for bi na imbre bi almost say omunya gogo UK say omo de scholarship was den sa boy when say omunya koye. We defanization. Oni efa edaye. And na osisa nurse for no more scholarship. It don't go UK wa na afi omo perform. Ebi mo ha omo need that experience. Omo du pe no mo kuni pa UK. Aya Kingsley Agyman. Ayi ready. Akwawe no na bi na ye adwuma. Message John Mahama omo bie investigations was ade we mu Europe, America, especially UK. Kingsley Agyman only 1 week obeko jail. I am telling you. Sa Kingsley Agyman oye comfort Ghana education na essay nyina this boy Kingsley Agyman. Kwasia we di Bawumia chi say yem to abama Bawumia na Bawumia nya den Bawumia be president. Bawumia be president sa kwa we because say Bawumia ba power onko jail. So he was using the scholar secretariat to make double money. He made so much money. He made so much money. Na ye can be obi amfie. Mr. Kingsley Agyman na apak. The deputy education minister and the NDC Kronfo apak Kronfo.
The NPP cannot be underestimated. You know it, I know it. They've been in existence for a long time and have been changing their names up till this day. The nature of who they are. Listen. Munjir. The nature of who they are, what they are, where they've come from. It's something they are happy with. And they will be there.
Apak. He's not a deputy education minister. He made this happen. Sanka Apak raised the issue here and can do her. Me, I don't respect that man one bit. Apak, I'll keep saying it every day. No wonder he's with Haruna Idrisu at the education ministry. This guy Apak, let me show you his face. Now I say a criminal like him. He thinks he says somebody's scared of him. Enkokra akromfon kwa mon kanokre. Motete parliament wana moye business. Wo Apak. Semi criminal like you. You people, you think me I'm scared of somebody? What is Mr. More bottom. This man, Apak, he's not a deputy education minister. Mumusano, he's the one who covered up for this guy. Muna mud go on mugu Mahama ni say. You these people, Muna mo said John Mahama. I am not going to allow any of you old goons to destroy John Mahama's legacy. This man, Apak, he is the one who protected this fool. Apak Ronye. He's the deputy education minister now. Wait, on kano kreba akokra. Yene young men, yeah, their life in to near boy juma, number the Monkwasi Asam Parliament, Mumubi, now we didn't quasi some air protector crop for. Personally, I told Sami Jenfi, tell Apak, Sami Jenfi did it. Apak catcher and say, it is, I don't know what I'm talking about, and that the education committee does not have the right to go and question. Say, what bought them home? And the John Mahama about power, nobody minister. Abuofunu, John Mahama chop president, you can't chop minister. Yanyan kwasi adwuma na obedi minister ba di ma. One criminal, I hate to see him. Membese me hu n'anim kura. His name is Apak. He is the deputy education minister. Well, when you minimum contact John Mahama kura appointment. They don't like John Mahama. People like they don't like John Mahama. They are bad people. Or to back parliament and all your business. He knows all the corruption happening. Onim krono mu bonyina Apak way. He encouraged Kingsley Agyapong to do what he did. Apak, my friend Apak, Papa way. He has no shame, no credibility. And he, me see, my year Juma, the documents are brand. I need to go into such chat where I check. Let me go. Me charge ya. Thank you very much, team. Thank you so much. Me team need the video now, but my member want na mon kaimo. Na me mamu a story where I yada. So if John Mahama is saying they should open investigations, sir, it is true. Anyway, this is the story we did. Story in Thank you very much, team. Thank you for bringing it in. Because Monja kakra kwasiafo money Ghana. Politics ni business na moye. Me se wa obet try say obet say John Mahama no. O de obedi nka akọ eja me. Sorry 7 6 every 3 months no aswa omo. No do omo ko UK. In the name say or omo say he's a big man and they need to vote for him. Into a term scholarships now. No do omo din aye. So when you go into the archives, you will see this. Wuntie ni pa.
As a MA secretary, repeat, police station secretary.
Daniel Amenyo, Akima Sapo, RC Primary Police Station Chairman. Daniel Unsu, RC Police Station Secretary.
Isaac Donko, Boka State College Secretary.
Philip Aye, Achimadu Banka, CME, its organizer.
Me, secretary. Repeat, police station secretary.
Sorry 7 6 every 3 months no aswa omo. No do omo ko UK. In the name say or omo say he's a big man and they need to vote for him. Into a term scholarships now. No do omo din aye. So when you go, video now here no. Go, it's 2022. Wait, 2022. The constituents, party executives, and also I'm go UK, the normal introduction. No. Kingsley Agyapong, Kwasiawe, Akwawe. This guy. Also, sir, MPP executives. Every the constituency. And all this scholarship secretariat document. And all them go UK. And now we introduce you Mina me yadi and mina unnecessary or the scholarship secretariat deals not here. This guy, Eriwe, he's a thief. He's not supposed to be in parliament. Me, so who's a can't say me, and the honest truth is, me, I am okay. I am very okay. Boga, me, I am okay. Abrocha metino, I am very, very okay. Into me, I don't need your dime. It is not me can be sama. It is not because me tino. It is because I cron for and me need evidence. I mean jinaso because minimo. There's no way I'm make asama toso abra minimo. Minim ni power ye. Into I didn't make asama toso. Into so who's a me can be sama. Na eya sama me one jinaso. 2022 na me akwa with story. 2022 and I'm a yes akwa we say oyeri mon stopping no and a deputy education minister Apak said he's not going to do anything and on the Apak in our parliament your colleagues and he's sleeping with Apak. They are gaying themselves. They are gaying themselves. 2022 na me story and the President Mahama said yembie investigations. Modia mo pa monko Europe nyina. Modia mon check omu nyina. Oh, videos in there me team no. Now let me play guy na. Thank you very much Mr. S. Guy na one eye sa Kingsley Agyapong we ebo kro no. We actually interviewed the guy on my show 2022 guy no nie. Hwe, Mojin say, "Ewiwe, this guy na on the ball kro no scholarship secretariat no nie." Let's listen to a little bit of the interview. Ebi na refi. Until I'm saying John Mahama has done the right thing. I was say ye chia kwa we. I was say the UK this is the video. Let me show you. 2022. I did this interview. Guy now on Kingsley Agyapong about chrono no. I interviewed the guy only.
Sanity.
Okay. Now only Kingsley Agyapong in Jumebi or scholarship secretariat. Si bia o kanene say we nipa bia o net to kwan on na ye juma. Na eba scholarship secretariat ne juma mu no one ne ye Jumebi. A year the interaction with students almost per scholarship what's na meetings him unim or idea of how he did his job.
Yeah, and they have no idea. Quite first one. If I say scholarship secretariat, phobia, if I say a Juma Moye United say, need the students and the brilliant, they are on scholarship to study abroad. And I said, Ghana, the dear be a young Modiano. I'm saying, no, you may dear party, no moody scholarship secretariat. Or more money be no money idea. I have a so much. No money, so I didn't want to be a that. It's and no need to be dinner, power, or I am the first one. To move on, a pile of first one, students. Says students be or pass it, but I said a bear or beko, the Nimono, Yana is Cassam. It is scholarship secretariat, a show. Was results in the idea, it will be considered the show background of blue and this kind of the show background. It's me, international the amount of scholarship. In Tinanoni Jumedia, a scholarship Jumedia or more, the minimum Crafa, Jumedia the Dosh, the minima, a first scholarship, one, and
this is 2022. Go into our archives, YouTube, call her interview now. Documents in the show. Abranche we. Sa guy we your friend Kingsley Agyapong Ebuakwa South criminal or yes he cannot call parliament now down for pani gift your worry guy we the friend pani gift your worry yeah this guy only gift your worry they are close pals. That is how they were able to create that kind of scam, that kind of fraud, that kind of criminality and thefts. Go into our archives, call Loud Silence TV, YouTube. Na ko busa scholarship secretariat scandal Kingsley Agyapong ko hwani nyina wo ho ewiwe momoje nse etena ha ne tan obi ohun me mentan obi a o ba me ma obi angu John Mahama ni ase o ya NDC ni o ya MPP ni o try metiuti me I will tell you it does not matter whether you are my friend or not and your own pebonia step out of John Mahama's government nema John Mahama mbuna ban now we are adwene say you have some motive be only AFENYO marking or link be only MPP for link be and I'll be protect you be you will go before John Mahama. Me ma catch them and I'm not going. Me my allegiance is to John Mahama. Nyansa ne dani team no and that is what I worship. John Mahama no nya fe nchen me papa. John Mahama onye nipa nchen me papa. John Mahama onye nipa nchen me. There's one thing I cherish about him. It is the wisdom in his brain and how willing he is to serve. That's all. So until I exhaust that wisdom in John Mahama's head, I'm not done with him. Until my but right now, a gum for like 40 years, a gumankasa. Nyansa ne doso and me woso abebreba. John Mahama me so de nana me woso de say nyansa no drop it at the coins. As far as nyansa ne gumuno, I will protect it. And it dear, you can say whatever you want to say. And until say me exhaust nyansa wo de timu nobody has opportunity to challenge John Mahama. Me say until I exhaust every nyansa that John Mahama team in politics. Momunim bibi. Kamunim bibia. And ya bre to bring John Mahama here. And in yan sentine ye bibia de baye, we want to exhaust everything. It's your son na ya ne awosu say. Ya wosu bia so nyansa ba. Until see ebe wosu ebe hu se nyansa nimu no, and ye be okay. But as far as ya wosu na ya nyansa free the trimu ba no, ye be wosu akopem se ebesa. If it is going to take us for 10 years, ye be wosu. Me say, if it is going to take us 40 years, because there be a better solid nine near Wosono, Nyansa be free the team about the sequence, near UC. Until say about Wosuma, Yaba was a Nyansa be Amba Bibno, near discarded John Mahama. But right now, Nyansa ni gum into your Wosua de Bianeba, into your Bell Swatche.
The MPP cannot be underestimated.
The MPP of Darocha, Sakiskek, Victor Wusu, Kofi Buzia, Professor Edubuahe, Alajete, J.A. Kufuor, those men of value, those men of integrity are not what we have today. I tell you without mincing words, the 5 people who are contesting, wanting to be flag bearers, are just sankwas. I tell you without mincing words, the 5 people who are contesting, wanting to be flag bearers, are just sankwas. I tell you without mincing words,